Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, run through the trade with you on the 24th day of July, 2025. And we just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room. We'll show you a trade that I took in the room along with other folks and did very, very well. Here's the setup. We have our old friend, the, we'll go ahead and put this pointer so you can see better. Our old friend, this strong candle indicator. Got a little red diamond saying, go ahead and put your trade on the end of this candle to go short towards the bottom of the screen. And we see also that it was 6 times stronger than the candle before it. So really nice setup, really nice retrace back. We'll put our order underneath to go short. Now, the question is, how much do we want to go for? We're trading, excuse me, the S&P 500 today. I expect the next candle to be around 10 to 12 ticks long. We're going to go ahead and try and go for our regular 4s, 8s, and 12s. Again, there's 4 ticks in between each of these white lines. Each in between each of these white lines is well, $50. So there you go. $12.50 a tick times 4, $50 between each white line. So we're going to go for 4s, 8s, and 16s and see how we make out. We'll go ahead and put the order on to sell, just like the strong candle indicator says to do. Put it on the bottom of the body of the candle and wait to get picked up. And here's how it went. I think this actually, because we're going for a 16 tick targets over PVI, I expect this to take around 2 candles or about 10 minutes to actually pay. If I was going for less than 10 ticks, I'd expect to get paid on the first candle. So we got picked up in the trade. But the first thing we got to do is put our stop where it belongs. Once we hit our first target, our stop is going to come down to a break-even position. Boom, you see how it went from the top down to the bottom. Now I have no risk at all on the trade. 4s are out times 2. And then we have, we're going for an 8-tick target and a 16-tick target. Now, there wouldn't have been anything wrong for me taking that target and putting it on the next brick wall. We would have gotten 4s and 6s, but this is running pretty good. So 4s and 8s are out. Beautiful. I can't lose money on the trade now. I can only gain because now I have 4 ticks out, 8 ticks out. So I'm 16 ticks to the positive. I'm sitting at -3 on my stop. So the worst that can happen is I get a +13 on this. Now, if this does come out and takes me out at this level, I can go ahead and re-enter the trade if I care to. That's the advantage of leaving it where it is right now. So again, let's go ahead and speed this up a bit. I thought I'd already done that, but evidently not. This is 4 times the actual speed of the market right now. And we just got a runner. I mean, if it comes down to the 50 of the day, I'm going to get paid. If it doesn't come down to the 50 of the day, I'm not going to get paid. So we'll just leave it alone. I could take my stop and follow this along, put it behind the next brick wall. And that may have been a decent way to go here, but we didn't. And it just ran itself out. 4s, 8s, and 12s have been paid. I stretched it by going for 16-tick target on a 12 PVI situation. All right, let's see what happens now. I already know what happens, but we'll see. Let this push all the way down again. Boom. Didn't take that long. The entirety of the trade over 2 candles took less than 6 minutes to complete and was worth 400 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 400 US dollars in less than 6 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com, samuraidaytrading.com. And I look forward to seeing you in the LTR real soon. God bless and see you next time.